guys, Lucy here, and today we are trying out the Jelly Ball Cleanser by Boscia. Stay tuned!
Wanna pull on the ladder and get into something we'll never forget. Wanna stay up and party the weekend away and not know when to quit. Wanna drive in the night to the end of the earth and go over the edge. Wanna wake up with you and say, baby, let's do it all over again.
It's me! I am so glad you stayed, guys, because today we are trying out the Jelly Ball Cleanser by Boscia. And I'm so sorry if I am butchering that name, but I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Think. But today we are trying out their Jelly Ball Cleanser, and I'm actually super excited. This is the second Weird Beauty item of Weird Beauty Item Month. And I am so excited to try this out because it's a literal jelly ball and I think we get to pop it. I've read these instructions a few times and I kind of think I have it right, so I'm going to read it to you guys. To use, open the box and remove plastic enclosed jelly ball and provided pick. I'm going to need a scissor. I've gotten this far in my young life. I have the provided pick and I'm trying to remove my jelly ball. Ooh. Ah. Ooh, feels soft through the plastic. Peel off tape around plastic enclosed jelly ball. Please note that the jelly ball is covered in a thin latex balloon inside the encasement. Using provided pick, puncture jelly ball in plastic encasement from sealed cover hole. So I don't take this out of the container. I just stab it right here. I did that wrong. Because when I did it, the whole ball moved. So let's hope I didn't do that too wrong. I'm in, guys. I'm in. Remove the top lid, then discard remnants from ball. So wait, am I taking this off? I am. Oh! So when I popped it, the latex seal popped off of it. You can see it right here. Let me get closer. Hello, guys. You can see it right there. That's actually really cool. I'll open it right here. Oh, this is actually super cool. The latex remnant. To cleanse, remove jelly ball from bottom base and massage it directly over a wet face gently in circular motions. Or wet ball, lather in hands for a few seconds and massage product onto face with fingertips. Rinse face, clean with water and rinse jelly ball once and place jelly ball back in the plastic base or top plastic lid to dry. Can be used daily, morning and night. So this is reusable. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm actually really in love with this. So I'm gonna go get a bowl of water and tie my hair up so that I can use this. But this is so cool. And my unicorn horn is back because I am absolutely always in love with it. And you guys knew this already, so. Oh my god, I love this. And you probably just heard my cat in the background, but I just want to break it. Oh, it smells so good. That's my cat. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna cleanse my hands and then use that to moisten my face with it and then rinse it off. And it says I can use this daily, which I thought's actually pretty cool. And I really love the smell of it. It's like a giant soap ball. Well, it's not that giant, but ooh, look. It just smells so good. Oh, I'm gonna like drop this. I'm so gonna get lipstick all over my face. And mascara. I'm gonna try avoiding my eyes. Well, I'm back with a clean, dry face. And I really liked it. This is like the second item I'm saying I really like. But I don't know if I like it because it's a face wash or I like it because the fact that it's a jelly ball that's a face wash. I don't know, that really attracted me. Like, question, I wonder how long it'll take before I run out of it. I'll use it every day and let you guys know the status of my jelly ball. Well guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to see more of me, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All the information you need to know will be at the ending credits. But wait, if you have not done so already, don't forget to ring the notification bell. It notifies you every single time I post a video. And that's it guys. So stay tuned for more.